Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Barclays bank account online in the UK. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and visit the official Barclays website. Navigate to the Current Accounts section to view the available options. Choose the account that suits your needs, such as an everyday current account, basic account, premier account, or a student account. Once selected, click Apply Now. Next, choose whether you want to apply online or through the Barclays mobile banking app. The app option is often faster. Confirm that you are a UK resident and meet the eligibility requirements for the selected account. Now enter your personal details. Provide your full name, date of birth, UK address, postcode, email address, and national insurance number if applicable. Make sure all details match your identification documents. After that, complete the identity verification step. Upload a valid photo ID, such as a UK passport or driving license, and you may need to upload proof of address and complete a short selfie verification. Finally, review your information and submit the application. Approval may be instant or take a few working days. So, that's basically how you can open Barclays bank account online in the UK. That's it for this video. Thanks.